Today, I will show you exactly how to make money reviewing Amazon products using the Amazon Influencer Program. I will explain how it works, who can join, how to get approved, how to make videos, and how the money is paid. You do not need a big YouTube channel to start, and you do not need to buy expensive equipment. First, let us clearly understand what the Amazon Influencer Program is. This program allows you to upload short product review videos directly to Amazon. These videos appear on product pages, usually under the product images or in a video section. When a customer watches your video and buys the product, you earn a commission. You do not need to send traffic from YouTube or TikTok. Amazon already has the buyers. This is different from the normal Amazon Associates program. With Amazon Associates, you share links and earn money when someone clicks your link and buys. With the Amazon Influencer Program, your videos live on Amazon itself. Amazon shows your videos to shoppers who are already ready to buy. Now let us talk about who can join. Amazon wants people who already have some social media presence. This can be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You do not need millions of followers. Many people get approved with a few thousand followers and sometimes even less. What matters most is engagement and clean content. Your account should look real and active. Your content should follow Amazon rules. No fake followers, no spam, no reused videos, no copyright issues. If your account looks natural and you post content related to lifestyle, products, tech, home, or daily life, you have a good chance. Next, let us go step by step through the application process. First, go to the Amazon Influencer Program page. Log in with your Amazon account. If you do not have one, create one first. Then, Amazon will ask you to connect one social media account. Choose the account where you have the best engagement. After you connect your account, Amazon will review it. Sometimes you get approved instantly. Sometimes it takes a few days. If you get rejected, do not panic. You can try again later with a stronger account or a different platform. Once you are approved, you will get access to your Amazon Influencer storefront. This is your personal Amazon page. You can add products to it, and this is also where your videos are managed. Now let us talk about the most important part, making review videos. These videos are short, simple, and honest. You do not need fancy edits. Most videos are between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Amazon prefers clear video and clear sound. You can record using your phone. Clean your camera lens. Record in a bright place. Natural light near a window works very well. Make sure your voice is clear. You do not need background music. In your video, always show the product clearly. Hold it. Use it. Show how it works. Talk about what you like and what you do not like. Be honest. Amazon shoppers trust honest reviews. A simple video structure works best. First, say what the product is. Then explain what it does. Then show it in use. Then share your personal experience. At the end, you can say who this product is good for. Do not add links in the video. Do not say prices. Do not ask people to buy. Amazon does not like that. Just review the product naturally. Now, let us talk about what products you should review. The best products are things you already own. Look around your home. Kitchen tools, electronics, office gear, beauty tools, fitness items, pet products. These work very well. Avoid restricted categories like medical claims, supplements with strong health promises, or anything unsafe. Amazon will reject those videos. After recording your video, upload it to your Amazon Influencer dashboard. Choose the correct product listing. Write a simple title. Example, honest review of wireless earbuds after 30 days. Then submit the video for review. Amazon will check the video. This can take a few hours or a few days. Once approved, the video can start appearing on product pages. Now, let us talk about how you make money. When your video appears on a product page and a shopper watches it and buys the product, you earn a commission. The commission rate depends on the product category. Some categories pay more than others. You can track your earnings inside your Amazon dashboard. You will see clicks, orders, and commissions. Payments are usually made monthly once you reach the minimum payout. This is a volume game. One video might make a few cents a day. But when you have 100 videos, 300 videos, or 1,000 videos, it adds up. Many people treat this like a long-term digital asset. Now let us talk about tips to grow faster. Upload consistently. Even one video per day is great. Focus on popular products with many reviews. That means high demand. Also look for products with few videos. That means less competition. Check product pages on Amazon. Scroll down and see if there are videos. If there are no influencer videos, that is a good opportunity. Keep your videos clear and helpful. Avoid talking too fast. Avoid reading scripts. Sound natural. You can also repost these videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts to grow your social media at the same time. Just make sure the Amazon version has no watermarks. Finally, let us set realistic expectations. This is not a get-rich-quick method. It takes time. The first month may be slow. The second month may be better. Over time, your videos can keep earning without extra work. Before we finish, I want to quickly mention another option. If you do not want to review Amazon products, you can learn digital marketing instead. Legendary Marketer is a popular course that teaches how to make money online with digital products and marketing systems. It focuses on skills you can use long-term. If you want to learn more, check the link in the description below.